I just can't stand this hot weather.
Hindi ko na matiis ang init ng panahon.
I just asked because I thought you would want to know.
Nagtanong lang ako kasi akala ko gusto mong malaman.
I'm just watching television.
Nanunood lang naman ako ng TV.
Just give me a little.
Bigyan mo lang ako ng kaunti.
Just don't forget this.
Basta wag mo lang itong kakalimutan.
I've just eaten my lunch.
Katatapos ko lang kumain ng tanghalian.
I'm just saying my thoughts.
Sinasabi ko lang ang nasa isip ko.
I'm just going for a walk.
Maglalakad-lakad lang ako.
It's just your imagination.
Imahinasyon mo lang yan.
He just arrived from abroad.
Kararating niya lang galing ibang bansa.
I just want someone to talk to.
Gusto ko lang ng makakausap.
Just seeing it, it made me nervous.
Tinitingnan ko pa lang, kinakabahan na ako.
I don't need your money, I just need your time.
Hindi ko kailangan ang pera mo, oras lang naman ang hinihingi ko.
Just because he is rich, doesn't mean he is happy.
Hindi dahil mayaman siya, ibig sabihin masaya siya.
I just got up.
Kagigising ko lang.
If you need something, just call me.
Kung may kailangan ka pa, tawagin mo lang ako.
Just be yourself.
Maging totoo ka lang sa sarili mo.
He just arrived.
Kararating lang niya.
I'm just looking.
Tumitingin lang ako.
It's just colds, don't worry.
Sipon lang yan, huwag kang mag-alala.
The bus just left.
Kaalis lang ng bus.
They moved in just the other day.
Kalilipat lang nila noong isang araw.